Welcome to your digital fitness hub, your studio, your platform, which will help you to create a better version of yourself, a fitter, stronger, healthier version of yourself. And how do we begin this day's session is with gratitude. I request every one of you to stand up, open your hands, put smiles on your face, close your eyes, and take the moment to say thank you to the most precious gift that you have received today is of being alive. Embrace this moment and say thank you. Thank you so much. So I request Teju to please take on the stage. You'll be watching Teju for the higher progressions and you'll be watching me for the lower ones. What is there for the day is what Teju is going to let us know.
Today we are going to have extensive stretches for the entire routine. We are going to take some of the most basic ones, but you are going to hold. Try to hold, go slow, try to hold in each position for at least 10 counts. Let's start first with the neck stretches though. The normal neck stretches, hands firmly on the side, tuck in your abs, squeeze in your hips, and let's start with the up and down 3 times. Sideways. And ear to ear. Yes, and with this, the next one, we are going to raise your hands up, lock them, take them up, no need of raising yourself on toes, and you're going to go from side to side 3 times. But when you go on the side, hold there for about 3 to 4 counts at least, come to the center and then go on the side. Let's start 3 times on each side. Center, right, center, left, center, right, center, last time on the left, center and right, center. Now keep the hands raised up and you will go down. Hold the toes and be there. Lock your knees. Once again, come up, breathe in. Go down and breathe out. Now spread the legs out, holding the palm, and just be here. Spread the legs out, toes out, and be there for 5 counts. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now you'll fold one leg, go into archer, rest your elbow on the knee, raise the hand up, watch up to the ceiling, hold for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come back, touch the center. Again, hold for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Raise up, rest your elbow on the knee, and look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let the legs remain spread out, and now you will go wash towards the left side and you're going to go into a deep lunge. You can touch the knee down, and in this position you're going to push yourself forward and back 3 times. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, one more time, and a 4. Now rest one hand behind and watch up with the other hand and hold here for 5 counts. 1,
For
2.
lower progression, do not bend behind, just watch up and stand straight.
2,
Just
3, 4 and 5. For the next one, you're going to raise the forward leg on the heel, get the toe towards yourself and hold your fingers down and hold for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Come back to the basic posture, and now you will touch one hand down and raise the other hand up. Let both the hands be in one straight line and again hold for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You'll come up, let the legs be spread out, and you will repeat all this on the other side. So first go into a deep lunge, push yourself forward and back. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now rest one hand behind on the heel and take the other hand up. Bend back for the higher progression. Watch straight for the lower one and start. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And now you will take the forward leg on the heel, toes towards your head, hands down. Lock your knees and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Place the leg on the flat foot, one hand down, the other hand goes up, and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And now from here you will now come into an Indian squat position. Sit down with your flat feet, push the knees out with the help of the elbows, and you will hold for 5 counts. Push out. 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. Now place the hands forward and comfortably go into a frog pose where you will be resting your hips down and your legs are coming on the side. Open the lower limbs out and you will keep holding here. Go forward and hold for 5 count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. Now come back. Come into an Indian squat position and you will push the elbows out and push the knees out and you will keep holding here for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Relax, and for the next one you are going to touch the knee down and get it back. This you will be repeating 5 times on each knee. Let's start. And the last time. Yes. And now we will come into a swastik pose where you'll get one leg forward, the other leg remains bent behind, and you're going to go forward and keep holding, bend forward and keep holding for 5 counts. Start. 2, 3, 4 and 5. For the next one, you will just shift your legs in the front, Keep the hands rested behind comfortably, and you will try touching the knees from side to side 5 times on each side. And let's start. And the last time. Yes. Now we'll repeat the swastik pose on the other side. So now this leg, the left leg comes forward, the other leg is behind, and you will push yourself forward and hold for 5 counts. Go down as ahead, as forward as possible. Come back again to the comfortable position, and we'll repeat the previous one again for 5 counts. The last time. For the next one, you will just sit straight legged, make a namaskar of your hand, and you will make a butterfly position of the leg. Get it as close to your body as possible, and again you will push it out. Do this very slowly for 5 times. Let's start. And the last time. Okay, that was nice. And for the next one, you're going to keep one leg folded. The other leg you will place on this leg, and you will sway your hips from side to side. You can keep them placing down, no need of raising them up. 5 times on each side. Take time to stretch. Do not be in a hurry. And done. Change, switch the leg and start again 5 times. Do it slowly. Remember, we are doing the stretches. And a 5. For the next one, we are going to go into a puppy pose where your legs are spread, shoulder width apart. You will raise your hips up, touch your elbows, your arms down and your forehead down. And from this pose, you will come into a cobra pose. And again back into a puppy pose. So we will be doing this 5 times, but you're going to do it very slowly. Feel the stretch at each point. So let's start. Going to a puppy pose. Keep the elbow rested down. Push yourself forward and into a spinix. This is. Go back into a puppy. Come forward. Go back. This is the last time. And go forward. For the next one, you will keep lying down and you have to raise your leg up. The lower progression you can do on the wall, where your tummy is rested on the wall or on the floor. You will keep one hand on the side. With the other hand, you will hold the leg from behind, or you can place the other hand front. You will hold the leg and keep holding for 5 counts. Try lifting the thigh up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Relax. Be in this position for just few counts. And now with the other hand, hold the leg, try lifting the thigh up, keep holding 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Relax again, put the hands forward, touch your forehead down and be there for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now raise yourself up and you will come into a puppy pose again. And from puppy pose, you will be going into a cat-cow pose, but you will be doing it into a wave format. So just watch. You can also take a baby pose. From here, you will roll and come into this posture. Again, make a hump of your back and go back. And you will repeat this for 3 times. So let's start. And go back the last time. Now just be here for 5 counts. Now from this posture of cat-cow, we will be doing a keyhole. For that, you will take one hand slightly ahead of your shoulders. You will put the other hand through this hand, touch your ear down, and you will come back and raise the hand up. You will repeat this 3 times on each side. You can do the lower progression on the wall, please.
Or on the stool.
Or on the stool. Let's start. Okay, let's switch the hand on the other side. Do it slowly. Take time to touch your ear down, shoulders down. Raise up and watch up. And the last time. For the next one, we are going to go into a puppy pose. Just watch this. You're going to be in this puppy pose, and from here you will lift yourself up into a downward dog. Let us do first the puppy pose. Hold there for 3 counts. Start. 1, 2, 3. Lift yourself up into a downward dog. Touch your heel completely on the ground. Hold for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Touch your knee down. Calm yourself and let's do the cat cow for 3 times. Breathe out when you protract. Breathe in. Breathe out. And the last time. Breathe in. And out. Now lie down flat on your tummy. And we are going to go into a cobra hold. You can do the lower progression on the wall. Your hands are straight forward and you're going to lift your hand and leg up. You're going to raise, hold for 5 counts and then lower and repeat this 3 times. Let's start.
For the lower progression, once raise your hands and then alternatively raise your legs, left and right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. Again, raise up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. The last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, and down. For the next one, you're going to place the hands below your thighs and you're going to just lift your legs up. Your forehead will be resting down and you will hold here for 5 counts. The lower progression, Harshad.
Keep your hands 90 degrees on your wall and touch your entire body to the wall, right from your toes to your forehead, and then raise one leg at a time.
Let's start. Raise your legs up, forehead down, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax yourself completely. And for the next one, just come into a spinach. You'll do the same on the wall and let's hold here for another 10 counts. From here, you will lift yourself into a upward dog where your thighs are off the ground. Take the hands back towards your chest. Go up, thighs slightly off the ground, and you will keep holding here for 10 counts. Watch the lower progression as well. Let's start. And rest. Come back to a spinach and again hold for just 5 counts. Now you will go again flat on the ground and you will extend the hands out and you will take, I'm taking my right leg towards my left side and I watch on the opposite side. So you'll keep holding for 5 to 8 counts. Relax. Repeat. Open your hands and take the leg on the other side. and relax. From this pose, come on the side. You will lie down on the side, fold the legs, and you will keep the hand on the side. Rotate and take it on the side, on the other side, and come back. You will repeat this 5 times, and let's start. Yes. Now go on the other side, repeat the same. And done. Now lie on your back, come on your back, and now we are going to get the legs into butterfly, and you're going to take it into circles. So you're not going to take the legs straight out, you're just going to have smaller circles. And let's start 5 rotations. And the last time. Yes. Now you're going to go back on the tummy. Raise the right leg up. Hold it with the left hand, and the right hand will be forward. So it's the opposite toe, and keep holding. Relax. Switch the side. Left leg with the right hand, and 1, relax. Now raise your head up, chin, chest up, and get one leg forward, folded, and you will go down to touch the forehead down. Be here in this position. Now get the other leg forward, go down, and up, and you will just relax now. Close your eyes and concentrate on your breathing. Be here very calmly.
Relax, close your eyes. Let your body loosen up. Put a smile on your face, and you just concentrate on your breathing. Inhale and exhale. No thoughts whatsoever. Keep your eyes closed, smiles intact. Put a smile on your face, a faint smile. Join your hands and slowly start to rub them. Make them as warm as possible. Rub it a little bit stronger and more vigorously. With your eyes closed, put your palms on your eyes and thank every possible little thing that's there special in your life. Begin with being alive. Think about your near and dear ones. You had food on the table, shelter on your head, your loved ones around you is all that should make you happy and a blessed soul. With a smile on your face, take your hands ahead, keep your eyes closed, and gently open your eyes and say thank you to Mother Earth, Universe, water, fire, air, ether, space, the 5 elements. Smiles on your face, and let's take the rest of the day with positive affirmations. Let's do the quantum physics as you stand up. Take this moment to do the quantum physics and also pray for your own self, your families, the world at large for healing, prosperity, and abundance. And in a moment, a high five to the person beside you. Make some vibrations, spread the message of fitness, wellness, and a power whoosh. 1, 2, 3. Thank you.